What's going on, guys? Smitty Longway here, all the way in Japan. Today we're gonna try some Kit Kats. This one is orange cream. Oh, chocolate orange. I'm sorry, chocolate orange. Ooh, so it's more than one. I guess that's cool. It ain't cool if I don't like it. There's that. Oh, let me show y'all the package. I'm gonna bust that one open. Show y'all the individual packages. Oh, there it is. Mm-mm, mm-mm. The next one is cheesecake. Oh, oh. Whew. That was nasty. Individual wrapper. Oh no. Anybody who know me know I do not like white chocolate. Oh no. I already know I'm gonna hate it. Mm-mm. Nope. I ain't gonna do it to myself. Oh. I don't know why I keep doing this stuff to myself. I don't even know what flavor this is. Like the whole package is in Japanese, like the whole package. I mean, can't be any nastier than white chocolate, so there you go. It's green. It's I don't know if y'all can tell, but it's like green. It didn't taste anything. Maybe I am tasting it and then oh no. Mm-mm. 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 No. Hell no. Mm-mm. So lastly is the chips. Um It's supposed to be hot, but not hot. Spicy. It's supposed to be spicy, but I feel like I can get through the whole bag and be okay. So there you go. I tried 3. Didn't like all 3. They have more. I'm gonna try and go get some more. I forgot what I'm gonna do with these 3 bags because I'm not eating them. Stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If you want more videos like these, let me know. Put it in the comments. Inbox me on Instagram. Smitty out.